Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I would like to share how I made this turmeric fried rice, and I would also like to thank my subscribers. Thank you very much for your support, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing so that you will get more of these simple and delicious delicacies from my kitchen from time to time. I would like to thank you very much. Hello, welcome, and thank you for joining in my kitchen to cook our turmeric rice. The following, I'm going to use this Basmati rice. I'm going to use this Basmati rice, and here I have my mixed vegetables. I have my shredded, my chopped onion. I have red bell pepper. I have green bell pepper, which is not compulsory. If you have dates, the mixed vegetables, you can use this or you can use this. But this is sweet. It gives it another fresh, sweet taste. And here also I have some mushroom. I always like to add some mushroom to my fried rice. It's not compulsory, but if you like mushroom, if you are not allergic to mushroom, you can try it. It's very delicious as well. Here we have salt. Here we have some Maggi cubes. And the meat I'm going to use is a sausage strip. I'm going to use sausage strips. You can use any sausage of your choice. You can, if you like pork, you can use pork sausage. It tastes good as well. If you like turkey sausage, it's good. You can use it. And if you like organ meat, for someone like me, I don't like organ meat, like using the liver, the beef liver. I don't like organ meat, so I don't go for that. But we have so many other substitutes which we can use. We can use bacon. You can use turkey bacon or pork bacon as well. You can use those. But I'm going for this recipe, I'm choosing the sausage strip. Here I have dry cilantro. I dehydrated it for myself. Here I have dry cilantro, and I have some turmeric, dry turmeric. I have dry turmeric, and for my fried rice, I always like to use like a fresh sweet corn. So this is a fresh sweet corn. I'm just going to, put in add a little to my vegetable to give, it gives the fried rice a little fresh taste. And basically that's it. So now I'm going to boil my rice first. The first thing I do with my method is I'm going to boil the rice first, and I'm going to add some turmeric to give it that yellowish color. So turmeric is very good. It's a very powerful spice, very medicinal, very nutritious and all that. So I'm going to add that to my rice to give my rice that yellowish color. Instead of if you are making fried rice, instead of adding curry powder, because curry powder usually tastes good with jollof rice. Instead of adding curry powder, add a little turmeric into your fried rice, and that will give your fried rice a nice light yellowish color. So now let me wash up my rice and start boiling my rice, and I'll come back with the prep of other ingredients. Yes, this is my rice. I already added some water. I'm going to parboil it in my rice cooker, and here I have my turmeric. I'm just going to add a little. Turmeric is the color is very strong. I just add a couple of it, just to change the color of the rice. Not too much, but if you like that good yellowish rice, that's good. It's turmeric, so it's medicinal, and it's very good. It's medicinal. No, you can't go wrong with it. Yeah, I can put more. And it, yeah, this is good. So this is it. And here also, I love cooking my rice with coconut oil. I have this coconut oil, organic coconut oil. I'm going to add like 1 spoon to my rice. Anytime I'm boiling rice, white rice, when I always put coconut oil, it tastes so good. You can try it and see how it tastes. It tastes so good. So on this rice, I'm going to just put in a couple of, just a pinch of salt to it. So now I'm going to take it to my rice cooker, and when it's done, then so this is my sausage. I usually, cut it. I cut it just this one that has some seasonings. They all taste good anyway. So I think this is good enough. I'm going to fry it. This is good. So this is my mushroom. This is my mushroom. So this is my corn. I'm going to just spread some of the fresh corn, fresh sweet corn. It's going to add a kind of like a sweetness to the rice. That's it. It's good enough. To add it up to this one. And the oil I'm going to use is olive oil. I like using organic olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil. That's what I like to use for my fried rice. Vegetables. Add some mixed spices and some salt. We are going to allow it to fry a little bit. Now I'm going to add my red bell pepper. I'll add the green bell pepper as well. I'm going to add just a few rosemary. just a little rosemary, just a couple of rosemary. We are going to allow it to fry for some minutes. I'm going to add mushroom. Add the mushroom. Here is the mushroom. Doesn't take so long to fry. I'm going to just grate in some garlic and ginger. Just 1 clove of garlic and ginger. A little ginger and garlic. More. Now just allow it to fry a little more. I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to add the rice. So fluffy, so beautiful. Oil gives a very nice flavor, the garlic, the ginger, everything comes together. Give us a very nice combination. And the turmeric rice is so beautiful. Garnish it with just a little dry cilantro. Just a little cilantro. And I prefer to use the fresh one. If I use the fresh one, I put it on because it's good. It tastes good. Because this one is dry, I just add a little to it. And it's perfect. The oil is not so much, and it's not too less. Different color combination coming together to give us a pretty outcome.